के देते हैं, ठीक है. So the ISO reference model, ISO stands for International Standards Organizations. So this OSI model was developed by ISO, and so it is termed as ISO OSI. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. Now, when I say open system, that means the systems which are ready, which are open for communications with other systems. Now, suppose if this is my laptop, okay, I am the sole user of this laptop. I don't want this laptop to be in network with anybody. So I will not install any kind of, routers or whatever into my device and connect it over to the network. This connection will happen only if we want to enter into any kind of network. So if there is a business, let's say, an enterprise, an entire building that needs to be in LAN connection, then you need some kind of protocols, then you need some kind of रेफरेंस मॉडल्स, OSI या TCP/IP जैसे मॉडल्स चाहिए उनको नेटवर्क, सारे कंप्यूटर्स को नेटवर्क में लाने के लिए. सो इफ अ पर्टिकुलर लैपटॉप इज ओपन और अ कंप्यूटर और एनी डिवाइस इज ओपन फॉर कम्युनिकेशन, दैट टाइम they require such models. Okay, so that is the reason it is known as OSI, which is Open Systems Interconnection. So ISO stands for International Standards Organization, and OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, OSI model, which is Open System Interconnection, this model has 7 layers. Okay. I had explained you all about layers. What is a layer? I had explained you all about an interface, a service, primitives. I hope you all remember. And I also expect that you all go and read the text so that you all can relate my explanation to the text easily. All right. So OSI model has 7 layers. Let's just check out now what these 7 layers are. Okay. So the 7 layers of OSI, can you see the diagram here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This is the transmission direction. Okay, the sending device. This is a depiction of bits being transmitted from the sending device to the receiving device. Now, when it reaches the receiving device, it will travel upstairs. Here, it will travel downstairs. So now, see, the 7 layers which we were talking about are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. What each layer does, that we will now understand gradually, dhire dhire. Okay. See, the transmission. This is going to be a sending device, right? So sending device is going to transmit the data from the application layer down till the physical layer. Then it will be transmitted on any medium. Okay, wired, wireless medium, and then it will be reached by the receiving device. Okay, this is a very, very general and a very, very basic depiction of the 7 layers of OSI model. All right, the 7 layers are physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application layers. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, this is your typical OSI diagram, which is there in your textbook. All right. Again, it has those 7 layers. Can you see the layers on the left and right side?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is
Yes,
known as, So this is known as a stack of layers. Layers का stack है ये, ठीक है? यहाँ से information generate होगा जो मुझे communicate करना है network में. It will be generated here. It will be transmitted to presentation, to session, to transport, to network, to data link, to physical. Then it will be transmitted to the next node. It will go to the physical data link network. ये नहीं है मेरा destination, बाजू में जाओ. It will then travel again to physical data link network. ये नहीं है मेरा destination, बाजू में जाओ. Then it will reach its destination, physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, application. That's the reason why they have created a subnet here because till the network layer, the data packets will have to go because network layer is going to determine the route. So to the next, am I the destination machine? No. So it has and then it will be, then it will gauge whether I am the destination or the receiving device or not. Nahi, to it will pass on, and likewise it will be reached by the destination machine. Okay. Now these are, see, all right. The layers के बीच में मैंने बोला था interface होता है. Okay, so this is an interface between the two layers. All right, protocols are the rules which are decided, mutually decided between the two layers of two devices. Okay, so those are known as protocols. These are rules, these are agreements. All right, then ये जो है ना, SPDU, these are the names of units which are exchanged. Okay, now एप्लीकेशन लेयर पे वो डेटा यूनिट को क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? एप्लीकेशन प्रोटोकॉल डेटा यूनिट. प्रेजेंटेशन लेयर पे क्या बोलेंगे? प्रेजेंटेशन प्रोटोकॉल डेटा यूनिट. सेशन प्रोटोकॉल डेटा यूनिट. ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोटोकॉल डेटा यूनिट. नेटवर्क में उसको पैकेट बोलते हैं, डेटा लिंक में उसको फ्रेम बोलते हैं, और फिजिकल में उसको बिट्स बोलते हैं. ये ध्यान में रखना है. ठीक है?
यस मैम.
समझा? इजी? अभी तक वेरी इजी?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see, just have a look at this. What is happening? What is happening? Can anyone tell me?
Data transmission.
Data transformation.
अरे data transmission is happening, but ये छोटा
डेटा ट्रांसफर.
मैम वो जो साइड में एप्लीकेशन प्रेजेंटेशन है वो ऐड होते जा रहा है.
क्या
इसका मतलब
क्या होता है?
मींस एप्लीकेशन का जो फॉर्मेट होगा या उसमें डेटा होगा वो एक एक करके.
मैंने बताया था at every see a message will be broken down. If it is not broken down, it will travel down.
म्यूट करना प्लीज. तेरे वजह से.
हाँ, अभी एट एवरी लेयर ना, हर लेयर अपना हेडर या ट्रेलर डालेगा.
रितिका प्लीज म्यूट कर. रितिका.
Okay, thank you. Now see, this data is being generated at the application layer. It is going down to presentation layer, then session, then transport. At every layer, there is something being added. If you see the color, वो वही layer का color, the presentation का green आ गया, session का blue, transport का purple, right? So these are headers and trailers which are added to a particular data. At the sending device. Okay, addition happens in the sending device, then it travels to the receiving device. At the receiving device, at every layer, it is removed so that जैसा data यहाँ पे generate हुआ था वैसा ही data यहाँ पे मिले. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
These headers and trailers are nothing but control information. ठीक है? जैसे कि destination address होता है, packet size होता है. अगर मैसेज को ब्रेक किया है तो दोनों में मैसेज साइज लगेगा, नंबर लगेगा, सीक्वेंस नंबर लगेगा, डेस्टिनेशन का एड्रेस लगेगा, और फ्रेम का नंबर, फ्रेम के डीलिमिटर्स यानी स्टार्ट और एंड ऑफ फ्रेम, वो सब सेव करना होता है ना. तो इसको हम लोग कंट्रोल इन्फॉर्मेशन बोलते हैं, जो ऐड होते जाता है डेटा में और रिसीविंग डिवाइस में उसको निकालते जाते हैं. और दोनों जो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर रहे हैं ना, वो उसको बोलेंगे प्रोटोकॉल. वो दोनों का प्रोटोकॉल सेम रहता है. जिस तरीके से एडिशन हुआ है उसी तरीके से डिलीशन होगा. ठीक है? समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
समझा ना?
Yes,
समझा? ओके. Now let's talk about the first model. The first मेरे दिमाग में मॉडल ही घूम रहा है. The first layer of OSI reference model. which talking from bottom na not top to bottom but bottom to top हम लोग चलेंगे. So first is physical layer. Now physical layer क्या होता है? Let's see. Physical layer is concerned with transmitting raw bits over a communication channel. Now when I explained you all जब मैंने तुम लोगों को डायग्राम बताया था जिससे कि physical layer से it is getting transmitted. One second, if it's possible, I'll show you all here. हाँ, ये देखो अभी जरा डायग्राम ध्यान से. अभी फिलहाल के लिए TCP, IP, ETH ये सब इग्नोर करो. I'll tell you all gradually what it is. हाँ, Ethernet. Then see physical में देखो क्या हो रहा है. Bits में convert हुआ वो?
Yes, ma'am.
और वो डी एनकैप्सुलेशन हुआ. इधर एनकैप्सुलेशन होता है और यहाँ पे डी एनकैप्सुलेशन होता है. एनकैप्सुलेशन मतलब उसको भरते जाएंगे और इधर उसको खाली करते जाएंगे. ठीक है. सो व्हाट आई वांटेड टू शो यू ऑल मेजरली वाज द बिट ट्रांसमिशन which is happening in the physical layer. क्योंकि ना विजुअलाइज करना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि कैसे बिट ट्रांसमिशन. सो दैट इज द रीजन आई लुक आउट फॉर सच GIFs on the internet to make the explanation easy. Now see, look again. Physical layer में that data will be converted into ones and zeros and that is being transmitted. All right, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So physical layer is concerned with transmitting raw bits. These are raw bits over a communication channel. Okay, see, below the physical layer is, let's assume that there is a wired connection. Okay, so physical layer में जब वो bits में पूरा convert हो जाता है data, उसके बाद में वो wire में transmit होगा इधर से लेकर उधर तक दूसरे device में. ठीक है. The design issues have to do with making sure that when one side sends a 1 bit, it is received by the other side as 1 bit and not a 0 bit. That means error. अगर 1 bit भेजा है तो 1 bit ही receive होना चाहिए. 0 bit भेजा है तो 0 bit ही receive होना चाहिए. अभी design issue मतलब क्या? What is design issue? I told you that this is a reference model. People, यानी network administrators are going to design the network. How they are going to design the network? They will look up to such reference models. Okay, so when they are designing their network model, what is the issue in the physical layer? The design issue is that if I am sending 1 bit, it should be received as 1 bit and not a 0 bit. So इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा वो लोग फिर बाद में टेक्निकलिटीज सोचेंगे. लेकिन इस फिजिकल लेयर का इशू क्या है कि 1 बिट भेजा है तो 1 बिट ही जाना चाहिए, 0 बिट नहीं जाना चाहिए. तो वायर कौन सा यूज कर रहे हो, कौन सा वो ऐसा वायर यूज करो जो एरर प्रोन कम हो, जिसमें एरर रेट कम हो, जिसमें लीकेज कम हो, नॉइज कम हो, है ना. ये सब सोचते हैं आर्किटेक्ट्स. ठीक है, समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, typical questions here are how many volts should be used to represent a 1 and how many for a 0, यानी consumption कितना होना चाहिए, how many nanoseconds a bit lasts. Okay, ऐसे bits last मतलब when it is being transmitted, it is not going to be on that channel forever, na? If there is some problem, what do you do as a network architect? If my client says कि अगर कुछ crash हो गया, कहीं कुछ leakage हो तो bit को life खत्म कर दो, उसकी retransmission करेंगे. This is what I'm saying. So how many nanoseconds a bit should last? Whether transmission may proceed simultaneously in both the directions. How simultaneously in both the directions means? Simultaneously in both the direction means whether it
At
is
the same time.
bi-direction, whether it is unidirection, how do you want the connection to be? Okay, how the initial connection is established and how it is toned down when both the sides are finished, how many pins the network connector has and what each pin is used for. See, pins आने ये colorful चीजें दिख रही है. You all must have seen this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ये देखा होगा ना? So
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, सो ये जो चीजें हैं ना, ये क्या करता है, एक डिवाइस को दूसरे डिवाइस से कनेक्ट करता है ना. अभी टेलीफोन्स में जनरली देखा होगा वो अंदर से ऐसे वायर खींचता है और एक ऐसा पिन डालकर टेलीफोन में डाल देता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. सो टेलीफोन में भी हर एक पिन का कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू मतलब होगा, एक डिजिटल को एनालॉग, एनालॉग को डिजिटल, इसमें ये वो कन्वर्जन, हर एक पिन का एक एक मीनिंग होता है. सो हाउ मेनी पिन्स आर यूज्ड एंड व्हाट ईच पिन इज यूज्ड फॉर, that is determined by the network architect in the physical layer. Okay, all right. Design
Yes.
design issues here largely deal with mechanical, electrical, and timing interfaces, and the physical transmission medium which lies below the physical layer. So यहाँ पे majorly क्या क्या डील करना है हमको, मैकेनिकल इश्यूज, इलेक्ट्रिकल इश्यूज, बिकॉज वोल्टेज की भी बात की है हम लोगों ने, एंड टाइमिंग इंटरफेस. क्योंकि कितना नैनो सेकेंड्स एक बिट को लास्ट करना है, कितने पिन्स यूज करने हैं, क्या पिन क्या काम करेगा, यूनी डायरेक्शन है, बाई डायरेक्शन है, ये सब काम फिजिकल लेयर में होगा. ठीक है. और फिजिकल ट्रांसमिशन मीडियम कौन सा यूज कर रहे हो, देयर इज, यू सी, यू इन योर सिलेबस ने यू हैव एन एंटायर चैप्टर ऑन guided unguided media. Okay, so which is talking about wired technology and wireless technology. So which, if you're using a wire, which kind of wire are you using? Are you using a coaxial cable? Are you using some other fiber optic cable? What cable are you using? That is also determined at the in this layer, physical layer. Is that understood? Have a look at this diagram once again. See, I have given here hub works on the physical layer. Do you all remember what is hub?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या है?
Central server.
But what is it? It comes under what network? Network? Come on. I'm going to take your now. चलो, क्या था? हब, बस, स्टार, मैश, क्या है ये सब? Girls, I'm asking you all, and I need an answer from you all.
Topology.
Man, topology.
Star.
Yes, अब
Star
सवाल-
Topology.
अबे स्टार टोपोलॉजी किधर से है? हब.
Yeah.
So these are what topologies, right?
Topology.
The network is built out. Now in the see, I had also explained you all a diagram जिसमें one language to another language conversation करना था, तो translator डाला, उसके बाद में fax machine था जिससे कि वो transmit हुआ. याद है? Do you all remember?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. याद है.
याद है ना? सेंडर से रिसीवर तक दोनों को कम्युनिकेट करना था, बट दोनों के बीच में कॉमन लैंग्वेज नहीं थी. याद है? और फिर देन ट्रांसलेट फिट किया था दोनों का ट्रांसलेटर, और उसके बाद में नीचे ईमेल या फैक्स से वो इंफॉर्मेशन गया था. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज द लेयर्स रिक्वायर सम काइंड ऑफ हार्डवेयर to do its functionality, right? So in the physical layer, see, you all don't have this in syllabus, huh? This is not there in syllabus, but I am just teaching you all for GK purpose, क्योंकि ये पता होना चाहिए. फिजिकल लेयर में क्या डिवाइस हम यूज करते हैं? ऐसे हब्स, जैसे कि कनेक्ट कर सको आप एक मशीन को दूसरे मशीन से. ठीक है? So hubs are used in physical layer along with, obviously, see, ये hub को हम लोग वो pins attach करेंगे ना, so pins are also used in the physical layer. Those connectors are also used in the physical layer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Or you all understood this diagram also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Transport network is IP, is internet protocol. I'll tell you what it is. Data link में this is the Ethernet, which is frames में convert होके physical layer में bits में convert होके वो ऊपर जाएगा sending device में. ठीक है? अच्छा. Data link layer na, I will do it in the next class. And then see, do you want me to continue, or do you want me to do it in the next class? Which lecture do you all have now?
Java.
Java.
Okay. Because now data link layer again will take some time. I will not be able to finish it in 10 minutes. It will take time.
I'm taking the next lecture.
I'll take it in the next class because then वो momentum वो ये record भी हो रहा है ना तो it will get आधा इधर आधा उधर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. I'll take this in the next class because data link layer I'll take time. I will not be able to complete this because I'll have to really like get into the technical details of frames and all. I'll have to explain you all everything. So this will take time. We'll continue it in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
1 second. I just calling in last call to